everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are downtown Las Vegas visiting Binions Hotel and Casino, which is located on Fremont Street. Actually, the casino is known as Binions Gambling Hall, and the hotel above it is known as Hotel Apache. Same place though. Hotel Apache was built in 1932. It was actually opened by a cement contractor who was working on the Hoover Dam, and his family realized that the contractors that are working on Hoover Dam needed a cool, comfortable place to stay. The hotel was the first in Las Vegas to air condition its lobby and have air curtains at the entrance. The hotel was eventually acquired by Benny Binion and was the place to stay for many Hollywood movie stars like Clark Gable, Humphrey Bogart, and Lucille Ball. Hotel Apache is the first hotel in Las Vegas with an elevator and a fully carpeted casino, and the first one to make poker a mainstream casino game. All of the hotel casinos downtown, especially the ones on Fremont Street, have quite a history, and we're going to check them all out on this channel in upcoming videos. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. That's the Apache Showroom on the left, along with its box office, and straight ahead is Vado Cigars and the hotel's gift shop. If you're into architectural details like I am, you may have noticed the tin ceiling and the original woodwork and staircases in this hotel. I believe it's all original from when the hotel was built. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is all original. Here we have the Apache Hotel front desk. Coming up straight ahead, it's going to be on our right-hand side, is a photo opportunity. It's $1 million cash, and you can have your photo taken behind it if you'd like. They say when you come downtown, the odds in the casino are better, and the slots are a lot looser, so that's something to keep in mind. It certainly is a lot cheaper to stay down here, to shop down here, and to eat down here. Speaking of eating, unlike the Strip where the food is pretty much consistently good but consistently expensive, you can find some real bargains down here, but buyer beware, some of these places are just horrible, but for the most part they're pretty good and they're pretty reasonable. When in doubt, just ask someone sitting next to you at a casino table or a slot machine or standing next to you in line waiting to see the show. You'll get an honest response from people staying here, not from people working here, however. And I'm not picking on Binions and Hotel Apache, that just pretty much goes for any place downtown. Okay, is this sign giving me directions, or does it mean something else? These downtown hotel and casino videos are going to be a lot shorter than the ones that we're used to further south on the main part of the Strip, because obviously they're a lot smaller. But stay tuned, because we're going to be visiting the Four Queens, the Fremont, the D, the Golden Nugget, the Golden Gate, El Cortez, Main Street Station, California. There's a lot to see down here, so they're coming up in videos shortly on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.